We are with the senior leadership of Cosmos with us at IMTEX 2025. We're going to talk to them about some of the new products, some new initiatives they've launched today at IMTEX. Firstly, sir, if you can tell us what's new in IMTEX this year from your end.
Yeah. Thank you, Amit. So I'm Vaibhav. I manage the global business and I'm the Chief Marketing Officer here at Cosmos. Um, this year was a very big paradigm shift for us because so far we have sold a lot of machines. We have given a lot of technology into the market. But what changed this year is that just from a product selling company, we have literally taken the next leap to becoming a solution selling company. If you look at all the machines out here, we have about 20,000 square feet worth of a booth, and we have more than 28 machines on display. Each machine has something new. Nothing on this platform at this moment is just what it was before. So there was a change in each and every machine, and all the machines are actually categorized into industry-specific zones. So we have a zone which is for aerospace, energy, oil and gas. We have a zone which is for die mold, patterns, tool, graphite. We have a zone which is for medical implants, medical equipments, and high precision small components. And we have a zone which is for automotive EV and electronic semiconductor. So mainly we have distributed our machines and technology into different industry specific needs, and that is the theme for IMTEX 2025.
Sir, if you can tell us about some of the sustainable solutions that you have in the market for us.
Sure. So I think we have a large facility in Vadodara in Gujarat where it's more than 200,000 square feet, manufacturing setup, and all the machines that you see around, everything is made in India. As far as sustainability is concerned, we take it really seriously. Whether it is energy, whether it is use of our all the processes are all based on trying to minimize the waste that is produced. Whether it is no plastic, we do not even want to use much of electricity. It's all most of the solar power. The factory is into lean concept. We are also using most advanced technology, primarily influenced from Japanese manufacturing culture, mainly Kanban and lean manufacturing principles. Even if you look at each of our machines or products, they are lean in their own way. They are consuming the least amount of space. We think that sustainability is not just doing something for environment. That's of course one of the major tasks, but at the same time, what you're delivering, how is it minimizing the investment and the impact on the environment at the customer's end? So this is one very, very critical aspect. So each of the machine we're trying to minimize the footprint. We're trying to make sure that the machine has a relatively lower weight but has a great mass to weight ratio, so we can have a much heavier part taken up on a lighter machines. So this is one of the area which we are really working hard.
Also, if you can talk about your India-specific plans, any goals, any targets, any new products in the pipeline in the next 1 year that you would like to share with us.
Yeah, so India is the place to be in. I think whatever we have heard the numbers across the globe, across every media platform, the last 3-4 years, it just gives us tremendous confidence that the way this country is growing and the way we see the industrial growth, whether it is MSMEs or medium sector or large corporates or even the FDI and foreign investment, India is the place. Now there are two strategies at the moment in the world. One is the China Plus One strategy, and also the second strategy where Make in India or Made in India products have got a tremendous recognition across the globe. We are very proud that every product is being built in India. We are investing heavily to make sure that we can give really top edge, cutting edge technology to our customers. of course in India and over the globe, but primarily focused on all MSMEs because they need real support, and make our technology really affordable so that even somebody who, as a startup company entering into this ecosystem of making aerospace components or automotive component or starting a small factory, do not need to really think twice, before that investment, and we help him in whichever best possible way to deliver a great product which has a long life and the least possible, service requirements. So that is something which is what we are really looking at.
Thank you so much for talking to us, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.